Welcome to Umoja. This video will demonstrate how to request official travel. In this video, we will learn how a staff member using self-service can create an official travel request. This same video can be used as guidance for the travel administrator to create official travel requests on behalf of staff members and non-staff members who do not have access to Umoja. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create an official travel request. The tabs visible on this page will be available for you based on your level of access. Click the scroll right icon till you get to the Employee Self-Service tab. Then click on Employee Self-Service tab. To begin the process of entering data for the travel request, click Create Official Travel. It is important that you read and understand the prerequisites. After reviewing, tick the checkbox next to Acknowledge reading and understanding of the travel initiation prerequisites. Next, tick the checkbox I certify that my supervisor or manager has agreed to my leave and trip. Click the scroll up icon. To create the travel request, click the Start From button. Click the travel type drop-down list. Select the appropriate travel type, in this case, select Official Business. To read the summary of policies information, click the Overview button. Click the scroll-down icon to review the summary of policies applicable to the travel type selected. Click to acknowledge reading and understanding of the summary of policies information. To enter information about the upcoming trip, click the General Data button. Click the Traveler Type drop-down list. There are 4 travel types to choose from: staff, staff and family, family members only, and non-staff. Next, we have to enter the required number of travelers in the Number of Travelers field. Click the Journey Type drop-down list. There are 3 journey types to choose from. These are one-way, round-trip, or multiple destinations. Click the scroll right icon. Now we have to enter the work start date, which is the date the traveler is expected to report to work for this assignment. Then, enter the work start time, which is the time the traveler is expected to report to work for this assignment. We also enter the work end date, which is the traveler's last day of work for this assignment. And now, we enter the appropriate work end time. Click on the scroll left icon. Type the appropriate travel purpose in the Travel Purpose field. In this case, type Umoja Implementation in Geneva. You can also add comments in the Comments Special Instructions field. In this case, type to annual leave at end of assignment. Type the appropriate departure date in the Departure Date field. Click the Match Code icon in the Departure City Country field to search for the Departure City Country. Type the required search value in the City field. In this example, New York. Click the Start Search button. To select New York, double-click on New York, US. Click the Mode of Travel drop-down list. Then select the appropriate mode of travel. In this example, select Commercial Aircraft. Type the appropriate arrival date in the Arrival Date field. In this case, type 02/05/2015. Click the Match Code icon in the Arrival City Country field. Type the required search value in the City field. In this example, type Geneva. Click the Start Search button. Double-click Geneva. Next, click the scroll right icon. Click the Match Code icon in the Subsistence Region field. To select the appropriate region code, double-click. In this example, double-click R002. Click the Copy icon to create a new entry line to enter the traveler's return dates and times. Type the appropriate departure date in the Departure Date field. In this case, type 19/05/2015. Click the Match Code icon in the Departure City Country field. Type the required search value in the City field. In this case, type Geneva. Click the Start Search button. Double-click Geneva. Click the Mode of Travel drop-down list. Select the appropriate mode of travel. In this case, type Commercial Aircraft. Type the appropriate arrival date in the Arrival Date field. In this case, type 19/05/2015. Click the Match Code icon in the Arrival City Country field. Type the required search value in the City field. In this case, type New York. Click the Start Search button. Double-click New York. Click the scroll right icon so the subsistence country information can be entered. Click the applicable subsistence drop-down list. Select the appropriate applicable subsistence. In this case, select DSA MSA Not Payable. Click the scroll left icon. Click the Save Draft button to save the entered information. Click the Additional Data button to continue entering travel data for the staff member. Tick the box Allow the system to calculate subsistence allowance. Please note, this is not applicable if you are a national staff traveling within home country or if you are in receipt of an ad hoc DSA. Click the Enter Deductions button to select the appropriate deductions. By default, the system will not calculate DSA entitlement for the last travel date. Therefore, there is no need to indicate it here. Select the checkbox against Saturday 02/05/2015 to reflect deduction for the accommodation. Click the scroll-down icon. Select the checkbox against Saturday 09/05/2015 to reflect deduction for accommodation. Now select the checkbox against Saturday 16/05/2015 to reflect deductions for meals. Click the scroll-down icon. By clicking the Accept button, you accept all deductions. Click Enter Estimated Costs to enter estimated costs for the necessary expense types. Click the Currency drop-down list. Select the appropriate currency. In this case, select US dollar. Type the required amount in the Estimated Costs field. In this case, type 1,700. Click the Calculate button to go to the Calculate Terminal Expenses screen. This will open a pop-up window where you can enter if the transportation was provided in New York or your duty station, to from the airport, enter the number of trips, and so on. Type 2 in the field New York, number of trips for which transportation was not provided free of charge. Also type 2 in the field Other locations, number of trips for which transportation was not provided free of charge. Click the Accept button to verify the terminal expenses. Click Save Draft to save changes made to the expense type's estimated costs. Click the Accept button to validate all entries made to the travel request. Select the Yes Radio button in the Travel Advance Requested field. Click the scroll-down icon. Click the No Radio button. Click the No Radio button again. Click the No Radio button one more time. Now click the Yes Radio button. Type the appropriate leave type and date. In this case, type Annual Leave 18 to 19 May. Type the required text in the field Justification for not submitting the travel request 21 calendar days in advance of the anticipated departure date. In this case, type A meeting was set up at the last minute. Click Save Draft to save the changes. Click the Personal Deviation button to enter any deviation to the official travel. Select Yes to confirm that a deviation to the official travel needs to be entered. Type the required text in the field Requested Itinerary. In this case, type Return Geneva, New York, 18 May. Click the scroll-down icon. Click I agree and accept the above terms and conditions to verify that you have read and understood the deviation waiver. Click the Save Draft button to save the changes. Click the scroll-down icon. Click Review and Send. Click the scroll-down icon again. Select the Save and Send for Approval radio button to confirm information and send for approval. Click Employee Self-Service to return to the Employee Self-Service main menu. You have now completed the Simoja Employee Self-Service video.